ChatGPT be the owner of copyright? Can ChatGPT infringe our IPR right? Can ChatGPT file a patent? Can a ChatGPT has the ability to do the patent examination, or whether the ChatGPT is having the ability to disclose the trade secrets? There are so many questions involving since the time ChatGPT has evolved. As we know that ChatGPT has recently launched in November 2022, but during this a short span of time, it has evolved a lot, and this AI technology has taken the front seat in all our lives. I am going to discuss about all these in this video with me, Dr. Shilpa. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Life on Hub, and I know that you all are liking my videos and definitely you are subscribing my channels, and I was getting a lot of comments that please discuss something about ChatGPT, means how ChatGPT can impact the intellectual property rights system. As we know that patent laws of different countries maybe in future can have an impact by ChatGPT. How? Let's discuss whether this artificial intelligence technology is making us dependent on itself. Please give your comments. I need all of your comments. What you think, whether this AI technology is making us dependent on itself? How it is dependent? See me, I am using, you are using, many professionals are using, journalists are using, school going students are using, college going students are using. Means everybody is now getting dependent on this AI technology. Just feed the information in this and you will get a lot of output of your input, whatever you have provided. If you will ask it to write a letter, oh, letter writing becomes so simple with this AI technology. If you will ask it to compose a mail, you will get a composed mail for you. If you will write the information to make the assignment, and you will get the ready-made assignment with this AI technology. Whether you can make the research reports, project reports for your company, if you want to make it, you will get the project reports and research reports on your behalf. It will make. Now the big question mark arise: who holds the copyright ownership of this work? Whether the AI owner, or whether the user who has just got the output of this work, but AI owner can say that they have put the input for this work, and so they are the copyright owner. This is a big question mark that is still yet to be analyzed, because many patent laws of different countries are saying that only the human beings can be the owner of intellectual property rights. So according to this, the user should be. But suppose, just imagine that you have made one project report for your company and you have presented in so much wonderful manner, and you got a big round of applause for this project report. And after the completion of this project report, one of your colleagues is coming to you and saying that this is a copyright work of mine. Now at that time, what will you do? Because you know that you have not prepared this work by yourself. This project report you got with the help of AI technology. Though the data has been generated by ChatGPT, but obviously it is published or used by the user. Now just I want your comments that who will be liable for the infringement suit, whether the ChatGPT or whether the user who is using the data, because there are the chances that the information that you have generated, or out of this generation of information you have published this information, and there can be the chances that this information is identical to the pre-existing information. Now the question again arises about the infringement, to whom or on whom the infringement lies, whether the ChatGPT or the AI owner, or whether this infringement suit lies on the user who is using this information. Just give me your comments on this, means who will be liable in this case. If you must have remembered the case of 2011, when a monkey Naruto has clicked its pictures and he was held the copyright owner for these pictures. When the British photographer David visited the jungle, and he told that he placed his camera in such a manner that monkey could be able to click the pictures by itself, and he told that monkey Naruto is responsible for the, or is the copyright owner of these clicked pictures. But when in 2014 Wikipedia uploaded these pictures and called these pictures in public domain, so there was a big dispute between both the parties. And also, as per the US Supreme Court, the copyright owner should be an individual or should be an human being. And when this court, when this case went to the court, the US Copyright Office clearly mentioned that an monkey cannot be the copyright owner of the work, and they denied the any prosecution that this cannot happen to be a monkey for the copyright owner. And US Copyright Office denied the protection to the selfie clicked by the monkey Naruto, So from this, it is clear that for intellectual property rights, these rights can be provided only to the individuals or only to the human beings. So whether the protection lies or whether the infringement lies, both lies to the user who are using the data generated by ChatGPT. That is the picture till now we are saying. Maybe different patent laws of different countries, they need to change their patent laws according to the scenario, whatever is happening and whatever can happen in the future. Let's see what will happen. Also, there are speculations that this artificial intelligence technology can replace in future the professors, the journalists, and many more jobs it will take. But don't worry, because this AI technology is lacking the critical thinking. And also, if you will asking for a story from this chat GPT, it will write the story for you, but that story will be lacking the emotions. That emotions can be put only by the human beings. That's why all these intellectual property rights are generally provided to the human beings, whether they are individuals or they are companies. But right now it is the patent laws of different countries are saying that these IP rights can be given only to the individuals or only to the human beings, not to any AI technology.